NCR empanelment. She has been running the largest performing arts institute and examination center in the NCR for the last 32 years while representing India at international festivals and curating independent dance festivals in India. I would like to mention something very special. During the pandemic, Alaknanda ji has extended online training globally for Kathak dance in USA, in Washington, DC, Seattle, and California, in UK, in London, Canada, and Singapore. And her festivals have gone online with Uran season 1, 2, and 3, rising above the COVID 19 situation and saluting the spirit of optimism and positivity. In the more recent times, she has received the State Award for Contribution as a state icon for Election Commission in the New Delhi, like Rohin had mentioned. But she's also received the Dr. Sarojini Naidu Award from International Women Association on 15th of September 2021. Thank you, Alaknanda ji, for being with us today. I was so honored to have such an eminent personality amongst us to give away the awards for our cultural fest, ODC. ODC, Every Journey Matters. In the past couple of weeks, we've seen some fabulous works of arts and literature being showcased by students from various schools in the NCR and beyond the NCR. We've had about more than 100 students and more than 24 schools who participated in 17 different events ranging from the age groups of 3 to 18-year-olds. Around a panel of 15 judges have judged the recorded and the live events. And everybody, all the judges and all the mentors who saw these events resonated the same thought. What incredible talents we have amongst the young blood. Well, ODC was conceptualized a year ago, and this is the second edition. The idea of this event has always been to allow for rich and extensive